There are so many fantasies floating around online about what it takes to earn money online and to build wealth, to change your life and make sure you don't have to work another day till you die. And I am here today to share with you 5 making money online fantasies that are causing you to give up too soon or to waste a whole lot of money on that course. So the first fantasy about making money online that cause people to give up too soon is that the promise that you can make money quickly. If you did see instant success with making money online, and you wouldn't actually realize how you got to make that money online. And this past month has been the same amount that I earned in a month that I was working full-time before I became a mum, and that has taken 2 years to get to that point. And I am actually really thankful that it took that long, because I figured out what I was doing wrong so that I don't do that again, and I learned what to do right so that I could keep doing that. And I think that if you haven't had the time to test different strategies, then you don't actually know what works, and that means that you're not really able to make that income sustainable. Alright, so the next fantasy about making money online that people buy into is that you don't have to put any work in. I am seeing so much messaging around make passive income, you don't have to work another day, you can do it in your spare time, and all this messaging implies that it's low effort, and it's just simply not true. Money talks. If people are paying for something that you have given them, it means they're seeing value in that. And I think that you cannot provide value to people without putting effort in. If you're expecting to see hundreds of thousands of dollars, then you have to provide value that reflects that. Yes, it can become more passive. There are more passive streams of income, but that does not come without having first put in the work. If people knew that, then they wouldn't give up when they found that it was just requiring too much of them. It does become more passive, but you definitely have to put in work at the beginning. I want you to come into this with your eyes wide open, that you do have to work. So the third fantasy about making money online that I think might cause people to become illusioned about it is that you don't have to invest any money. Don't expect to not spend anything and still make money. So the Bible says, though it costs you everything you have, get understanding. It definitely does have its reward. I've definitely paid off that blogging course, and I've paid off that Pinterest course. Within the first month of investing in that Pinterest course, I definitely got my money back. It exponentially grew my results. So yes, I think that investing in a course or in the right equipment, it can definitely accelerate your success. If it saves you time and if it generates more income quickly, then it is definitely wise to do it. Time is money, so don't waste time trying to figure it out, but make sure that you are investing in the right thing as well, because you can definitely pour your money into the wrong course. So just be discerning about that. Yeah, like, hey, I've indulged in a bit of fantasy land with this whole make money online. So I think that a fantasy is that you can do this one thing and it will get you hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. And that is not true. If the people who are earning hundreds of thousands of dollars a month are doing lots of different things to get them those hundreds of thousands of dollars, it is a fantasy to think that you can do one thing and then get hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. If you've earned $1,000, I think that that's a sign that you can earn tens of thousands of dollars a month. It's just a sign that you're heading in the right direction. So I already touched on this last fantasy with the previous point, but this one is that you will see success, enormous success, by only doing one thing. And I think the thing yeah, that it's just a fantasy, because if you read all the blogging reports of people who say they make $10,000 a month blogging, or when you look at their income reports, it's not simply those written articles that are earning them money through AdSense or whatever. They're also earning money through affiliate marketing, through sponsored posts, through brand collaborations. So there are so many other things that are feeding into that $10,000 a month. So just writing the blog post every day for every month is not going to make you see enormous success. That's all I'm doing at the moment. That's the only thing that's earning me money. But there is definitely a ceiling on how much you can earn by just writing blog posts. You definitely do have to branch out into affiliate marketing or YouTube, or you know, creating digital products to make you see that enormous success that is going to flip your life around. You can definitely earn a decent income blogging by just doing that one thing, or you can definitely earn a decent income doing digital products. Like, people, there are so many amazing stories of people who do digital products. It's amazing. And so I think to get a consistent income, a consistent enormous income, you need to have different fingers in different pies. If you want to see enormous success, you need to be prepared to do all that, and then that also is a bit more work as well. So I hope that you found this video helpful. I didn't want to pour cold water over all your dreams, but I think that you know, if you're a bit wise to these fantasies, then it stops you from, I guess, being flippant with your money making ventures. So let me know down in the comments if you have any other questions about making money online, or blogging, or what I'm doing to make money online. And definitely subscribe if you like this content, and I will see you in my next video.